In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to an FNB account, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link your PayPal account to FNB account, start by opening the FNB application on your device. Once the app opens, sign in to your FNB account using your login details so you can access the main dashboard. After you have successfully signed in, look through the available options on the screen and find the section labeled Forex. Tap on Forex to continue, as this section includes the option that allows you to connect your PayPal account with your FNB account. Once you are inside the Forex section, look for the PayPal option and tap on it. This will open the PayPal services page within the FNB app, where you can begin the linking process. On this page, you should see an option that allows you to link or sign in to your PayPal account. Tap on the option that says Link or Login, and you will be prompted to enter your PayPal account login details. Enter your PayPal email address and password, then continue with the login process. After signing in and confirming the connection, your PayPal account will be linked to your FNB account and ready to use. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.